Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian is a CAD software compatible with AutoCAD, developed by the Korean company Korea. In CADian CAD, you can arrange objects linearly. Let's explore the linear array function of utility. Use the pull-down menu to execute commands. Click on Utility, then the Array menu appears, and select Linear Array. Select an object and press Enter. As you move the mouse, the objects are previewed in a linear arrangement. Once the desired number of arrays is achieved, click to specify the array column. Next, specify the array space. Move the mouse to achieve the desired spacing and then click to specify. Finally, specify the angle. Enter -20 on the keyboard, and press Enter to set the angle. We have used the utility feature of CADian CAD to arrange objects linearly. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.